Okay, so now let us study about your another program to check if a number is positive, negative, or a zero. So we can use a Python program to distinguish that the number is a positive number or a negative or a zero. Okay, so one more thing, what are positive numbers? A number is known as a positive number if it is greater than zero. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are said to be a positive number, right? When it comes to your negative numbers, a number is known as a negative number if it is lesser than 0. That is -1, -2, -3. These all numbers are turned out to be negative numbers. So now let us look at the program in order to check whether the number is a positive or a negative number. Before I start up writing a program for it, so we can check it in a if condition. So let me open up a new page, Python 5. Okay, I'll give it as positive, negative. Okay, Python 5. Okay, so I've saved the number as positive posneg.py, right? So first thing what I need to take here is I need to take up an input from the user. Okay, when I need to take an input from the user, whether I'm just gonna check whether it should be a integer, float, or what kind of a number it should be. So I'll take it as a float. Okay, float input, right? Enter the number. Okay, after that, okay, so this is how you take, right? After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a if condition. If num, that is the number which is being taken from the user, if it is greater than 0, right, I'm gonna take a colon here, right? After that, what I'm gonna take a print statement. Print what it has to print, that I'll take a placeholder over here. Okay, so whatever the number a user enters, that should be taken. So I'll take it in a placeholder. If the number is greater than 0, it should take it as it is a positive number, right? It is a positive number. Okay, it is a positive number. Dot format. Okay, then num. So this is how you take it. Now I'll take up else if condition, elif, right? Elif, then just a second. Okay, elif num, elif num equal to 0, then it has to print what? It has to print, okay, what? Another placeholder I'm gonna take here. It is a what number? It is not a, it is 0, right? It is 0. Then dot format num. Okay, now next elif, not elif, sorry, else colon, then print placeholder. Okay, it is a negative number, right? Then you wanna take dot format num. Okay, just go through here. I have taken up an input from the user. It will check in here in the condition whether if the number whatever the user has entered, if it is greater than 0, it has to print it is a positive number. If it is less than, if it is equal to 0, it should print it is a 0. else what it has to do, it has to print up it is a negative number. So I'll just compile it, run, enter a number 34. So 34.0 is a positive number. I'll just rerun the program again. Okay, I'll take it as your minus 80.76. Okay, enter. It is a negative number. What if I change it to your integer and give it as integer? Okay, then what I'll do, I'll just rerun it. I'll give it as 80.66. Then invalid literal for int with base 10, that is the integer which I have taken up there, I have specified it as it should be an integer one, but while entering I'm taking it as a float one. Okay, just check out here, I've entered a floating point number, right? So this is the error which has been thrown up here. So what I'm gonna do here is let's rerun it. Okay, I'll give it as 80. It is a positive number. So this is how you take an input and check whether the given number is a positive or a negative number. I hope the things are clear with this particular program. So this was the program in order to check your Python program to check if the number is positive or a negative one. So that's all about it. Okay. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the errors and everything and the output as well. Okay.